Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies. This card is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career circumstance. Sagittarius. And today I'll be picking one card for your moon energy. So this is the card. I will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance, guys. And I will leave this card here. And one fortune cookie for you all. So we will see what it is as we proceed in Sagittarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have 9 of water, ace of fire, 2 of air. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation, guys, you feel really cheerful, confident about something. You are dreaming about your future, making plans for your future, and you feel really inspired and happy the way things are going today in your circumstances. And you do not have any fear or anything holding you back from stepping into something new. You are, what to say, just challenging your circumstances. You are planning everything and marching forward towards the path you have chosen for yourself. And you feel really inspired and cheerful today, whatever your circumstances are, maybe in your work or in your relationship. You are feeling really cheerful today, confident, and you are thinking about something important. You are making some important decisions today, guys, and you don't want to rush towards something, uh, rush and make a choice and then later regret. So you are just waiting for the answer to come to you. So it may be your energy in this relationship because you are really happy with this person, you love this person, you trust them, and you feel really happy to be with them, and you love their company, and you have mutual trust, understanding with this person, guys, and you both are moving towards a deep bond. You love this place where you are in right now, happy with the way things are going, but deep down you want this to last, maybe, and you are thinking of a decision to be made today, whether to ask this person, whether to go forward with proposal or commitment. So this may be your energy or their energy. So they like this way with you, or they like the place this relationship is right now, and they are really happy for the way things are going today, guys. Happy and happiness and contentment is what I see, but they do not want to make some choice and make you, what to say, decide something. So they are just enjoying this time in this relationship, having a good time, feeling really happy for the way things are going in this relationship, and they do not want to rush anything. So it will make you change or make you decide otherwise. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card and it is 8 of fire. So looks like things are shaping up in a positive way in this relationship, guys. Maybe you are celebrating, maybe that may be the reason for this card. Maybe they are coming with a proposal, or they are also thinking like you, because even they love the way things are going, and even they are happy to be in this connection, and even they are thinking of marriage or commitment to you guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card and it is love. So in your career circumstances, guys, you are doing the things you love. Maybe you have made the choice you are really confident and really passionate about, and circumstances are favoring you, even destiny is favoring you, and you are moving towards success and prosperity in your life, guys. Sagittarius, you can be happy, things are shaping up, and you are working with people in a very harmonious way in your career circumstances, guys. So for your moon energies, guys, not love energy, moon energies, we have, it's time to take action, new moon in Aries. So with this card, it just means that this may be the time for you to make action, make efforts. So if you have some questions regarding your work, whether it will happen or not, it is a definite yes here, guys. So universe is blessing you with a big yes today, Sagittarius. So whatever you are planning for is going to come your way, but all you need to do is be steadfast, hold on to your dreams, and be really determined. Have that perseverance no matter what. But you should not go too fast about something. So that was also what we saw with the previous cards. Maybe about marriage or commitment. You should not rush things up, guys. So you must wait patiently, wait for the right time to make the right decisions. That is what this card is about, and you're going to be extremely successful, Sagittarius. So you need to make a plan for yourself. It may be you can even make a 1 year plan. So how you need to do step by step, what you need to do step by step to reach that success or reach your goals today, guys. So for your love guidance, we picked one card. We will see what it is. Willingness. So with this card, it just means that we need to be able to forgive, open our heart, and be really honest with ourselves, willing to change. So when we are willing to change, we will see a great transformation in ourselves emotionally and spiritually, guys. And we will feel more aware, conscious of ourselves, conscious of the things in our circumstances. And when we are willing to accept that other person, willing to learn from them and respect their ideas and vision, we will learn so much and our perception will change, and we will know what is the truth in any circumstances. And willing to accept another person just means that ourselves and we are becoming strong day by day, guys. So that is what this card is about. And accepting things as it is. Certain things we can change, but when we have certain circumstances that we cannot change. We have to accept it as it is and learn from that experience we have, because that is going to change us, transform us. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is your fortune cookie for the day. Sagittarius. Sexuality. Existing relationships could find a new passion and heighten sexual attraction. Opportunities for marriage and good family life are strong. But if single, beware of temptation that could lead to trouble. A child will also bring great joy. So, even with the previous cards, we saw your cards pointing out towards marriage. So, maybe today uh, you will propose, or maybe this person is going to propose to you guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.